If you have a toddler or a young child who's constantly asking to help in the kitchen, this cooking set is such a fun way to get them involved safely. This set comes with a variety of child-friendly kitchen tools, including several kid-safe knives, a peeler, cutting boards, vegetable cutters, and a crinkle cutter. My son and I both love that this gives him the opportunity to participate in real cooking activities instead of just pretend play. The knives have serrated edges that are specifically designed for children so they can cut softer foods like strawberries, bananas, cucumbers, lettuce, and other fruits and vegetables. Obviously, adult supervision is still important, but all these tools make it so much easier for kids to participate safely in the kitchen. I love that this can turn everyday meal prep into a learning experience. It's a great way to build confidence and independence while teaching kids actual practical life skills. And that wooden knife is especially cute and lightweight for little hands. There's a variety of tools included, which means multiple little helpers can participate at once. As a parent, I'm always looking for opportunities to encourage hands-on learning, and this one checks a lot of boxes. It helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, focus, and creativity, all while creating quality family time together. Overall, if you're looking for a fun educational activity that encourages independence and helps children learn real-life skills, this cooking set is definitely worth checking out. My son loved making his lunch, and now he asks to help every day. So thank you so much to the brand for gifting this to me and my son so that we could share it with you.